Today it's time to improve my Brachypelma hamourii's enclosure. We'll add more substrate, more hiding places, and a little bit of decor. The enclosure itself, an older version of the mantis den acrylic setups, which I seal using aquarium-safe silicone. The water dish is a medium tattoo paint pot. You can buy these in bulk from eBay, and they come in several sizes, which allow us to provide water for various life stages of our tarantulas. As this is a revised setup, we'll overfill the water dish and give the substrate a once-over. Going forwards, we'll mainly just overflow the water dish and on occasion wet half the substrate. This species can be found in a variety of dry and arid habitats in Mexico, from desert, forest floor, or even at higher altitudes amidst mountainous rock and scree. If we coax the spider in slowly with a paintbrush, we shouldn't get much hair flicked at us. Now that's all done, the spider can enjoy its improved habitat.